Hey, it's Something Student here, and today I'm going to be showcasing how to download PostgreSQL, which is a SQL database, and I'll just demonstrate how to get it running, and I will be using pgAdmin, which is like a user interface for Postgres. So first of all, I am just on the postgresql.org page, where we can download what we need, and as you can read here, let's first click download. And you get to a download page where you can choose your different operating system. And in my case, I will just be downloading it on Windows. And I will just be using the installer. And I feel a bit nifty today, so I will just be downloading the newest version. You might have newer versions, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to be downloading the newest version for Windows. And I will now get the download coming. So now when the download is done downloading, I will just click it. And now we get just a normal setup. So I will just go through the steps as usual. So just go next. I will just, for my sake, leave it at like the default location. You can change the location of the installation if you want. Otherwise, I will be downloading the SQL server. I will just let it download pgAdmin, which is the user interface tool I'll be using to create my database. Stack Builder, I'm not going to use it. You can keep it if you want. I'm not. It's just a tool to like use it. It's not going to be useful, at least for beginners. And of course, you have the command line. If you're a bit more techy, you can use the command line. I'll just go next, 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 and it's just accepting this is what we're going to be downloading. And right now, it's skipped for me because I have downloaded previously. But you will be asked to create a admin, like a super user password, and it's actually quite important that you choose a password you can remember. So maybe like write it down or something, because you're gonna be needing this password every time you start using Postgres. So create a password and definitely create something you either can remember or keep it in some way. And then at some point you're gonna be done downloading. I will just click finish. And then I would open pgAdmin. So you can't open Postgres itself because that's just like database usability. But I will just be searching and opening pgAdmin. And I will just open pgAdmin. So when opening pgAdmin, you would need the password, the super user password you just created. And it will open your browser and it would ask for your password, where I will input my password. And now I am inside my pgAdmin station, which allow me to open a server, where you would also first time be asked to create a password for the server, where I, as mentioned already, I've been using Postgres before, so I already have a password, but otherwise you'll be asked to create a password. But in my case, I will just unlock then. And right now I have a server. I have my PostgreSQL part, and inside my PostgreSQL, we have my databases. Right now I already have a database just called Postgres. But if you want to create a new one, just go create database, put in a database name, and save. And when you then create one, you would have a database like this, which would contain some schemes and might contain some tables. In this case, I have like a table containing an account, but yours will be empty at the beginning. So this is the basics of how we would download Postgres and be using pgAdmin to access our database. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.